Hello mga kamatinik! How are you all doing? Let's answer this question about factor. How many factors does 20 have? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. For us to answer this question, we need to know first the factors of 20. So what are the factors of 20? Let's start. Is 20 divisible by 1? Yes, of course. Because 1 times 20 is 20, right? Let's try 2. Can we exactly divide 20 by 2? Definitely. And the quotient is 10. When we multiply 2 and 10, it will give us 20 as well. Therefore, 2 and 10 are also factors of 20. Okay? Next is 3. Can we divide 20 by 3 without remainder? Absolutely not. Therefore, 3 is not a factor of 20. Got it? How about 4? Is 20 divisible by 4? Indeed. And this will give us 5. Hence, 4 and 5 are both factors of 20. Alright? How about 5? Since we already have 5 as factor of 20, we will stop here now. So to answer our question, we just need to count all the factors we listed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the answer is B. Okay? That's it mga kamatinik. See you all at the next math lesson. Bye-bye. To God be all the glory.